Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we're going to unbox both of these items, and this one's from 99 and this one's from 97. And these are like a little puzzle. Try to get the ball in the hole. And I think I'm going to make charms out of these. I imagine the watch is too small, but we'll open this one first and I'll show you the box front and back. And then you can see the date at the bottom here, 99. Yeah, that definitely would not fit my wrist. Yeah, I'm going to make these into charms. There's a yellow one. What says Barbie on the... There it is. Oh, I wonder if there's a date on there. No date. The butterfly. Those are cute. Now, this one I am super excited to open. It looks like it has a lot of fun beads inside. It says 97 down there. Well, that's strange. So there was only one that was completely sealed with a cover on it. The other ones don't have that. Okay, I don't know which one to start with. I feel like I want to dump these out. Okay, so it comes with a little string. These are fun. So it has those, and then lots of hearts, different colors. And then it has these. Well, that's a fun little mix. Oh, I dropped one. Okay, let's do the butterfly. Well, that looks like it has some fun charms. Hey, wait a minute. I think I have a bracelet with a bead similar to this. Okay. Some string. Butterflies. Well, here, I think I'm gonna take these out. Okay, we have these little beads. And then I think I'm going to set these charms up so you guys can see all of them. So it looks like they're different. Okay, let's see if we can get you closer. Can't tell, is that supposed to be a clown or a bear with a clown hat? It's interesting. A little poodle, ladybug, those flowers. And this butterfly. That's cute. Hopefully you got a good look at those. Is that a clown? So we got two ladybugs. Is that? Oh, it's a cow. I was like, what animal is that? Yeah, cow. And the poodle. Oh, and a hat. Barbie hat. Those are fun. Okay, we have some string. Some large balls. I'm like, are those just like dusty? Does that come off? Oh no, I guess they're just a little chipped. Maybe from rubbing against each other for a long amount of time. I don't know. But they have a little white residue on them. Stars. And there's some more of these in there. Looks like this one has some large charms in there. Oh, cool. Those are fun. And then it looks like there's some string and then pony beads. Oh, I like that. Lots of unique beads in this one for sure. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you next time.